Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfatihah Binti Abu Bakar from KIM 1104E. This assignment has been given a project description where it states a problem, which is Nawal is a new student at the University Technology Marayu ATM. She wants to buy a new computer for her studies. She will use the computer for her assignment using utility software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and Access. Besides that, she also needs to use a programming software such as VBNet and C++. Operating software such as Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Director. And the computer should be able to support the large graphic for gaming and good sound system for watching a movie in CD or DVDs. She also requires a large storage capacity to store her files. So let's see what will we recommend for Nawal in choosing her PC. Of course, as a university student, computer is most necessary item for student, mostly university student. This is because there are a lot of assignment and assessment that we need to use a computer. As for now, one problem, there are specification computer that she can choose for her study. This is because she are going to use a large graphic and more. Now, so the technology grows by day. So computer are created and made by creative technology. There are a lot of capacities and different components based on speed and type of the computer itself. So, as we see in our problem, hardware and software are one of the important computer specification because of programming needs a big space of hardware. The software is important because it's also based on the type of computer that has been chosen. The application of software refers to the operating system to be instructed. So let us see what should and what can we recommend for Nawal in computer specification that we can choose and get a good technology for her computer.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is HAZIRAH Binti ROSLI and I'm from KIM 1104E. For today, I will explain my part, which is computer specification. So, the part A is motherboard. The name is AZZA Intel ROG Street Z2701 gaming motherboard. So the reason why we choose this motherboard is because it's provide complete high performance gaming package. It's specially designed and tested to survive and thrive in conditions where other boards will struggle. Easy and safe DIY builds, easy to set up and configure, engineered with highly durable components. The specification of this motherboard is the brand is ASUS. The CPU support Intel 40nm CPU and Intel Turbo Boost technology 2.0. The chipset is Intel Z270. Memory 2 DIMM Max 32GB DDR4 dual channel memory architecture and support Intel Extreme Memory Profile XMP. The audio is ROG Supreme FX 8 channel high definition audio CODEC. Support jack detection, multi-streaming front panel jack retasking. The graphic is integrated graphic processor and the storage is Intel Z270 chipset, support Intel Smart Response Technology 2, and the price is only RM355. So the part B is computer case. The name is Vantage CG71 high quality costume OEM sheet metal stamping with a mid RGB tower PC computer case. The reason why we choose this computer case is it provides GGB mode that can create a dazzling gaming atmosphere with CG71 parts. Transparent material for Nawal to experience lighting inside Nawal PC case, and it provide fan support, extreme heat transfer and RGB light. Okay, the specification of this computer case is the brand Vantage, the product SKU CG71, size is 23 cm, 47 cm and 44 cm. The type is mic tower form factor, ATX material aluminium alloy style. VGA length max is 280 mm. CPU height max is 165 mm. Working indicator, RGB spectrum mode selector, and it has cooling system which is extreme heat transfer and RGB light. The warranty is for 1 year and the price is only 189.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Binti ZURAIMI from class KIM 1104E. Now I will present about the hardware. Hardware can be defined as a physical components of the computer. Apart from that, it is also referred to as a machine or computer equipment. The example of hardware in computer which is motherboard, mouse, monitor, keyboard, hard disk, and etc. However, the most computer hardware is invisible, which means inside the computer case. Okay. The first is processor. The processor that we suggest for now is AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. This processor was launched at 11 May 2020. We choose this processor because this processor have a multitasking. The another reason why we choose this processor because it is the best CPU for gaming. AMD Ryzen also support for gaming and also for creators. AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is the greatest desktop processor with high-speed gaming performance. So, now one can play the games without lagging or any problems because it has high-speed gaming performance. There are two technologies for AMD Ryzen 7 5800X, which is the Ryzen come with AMD Stormy technology and also AMD Zen 3 core architectures. The specifications for AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is it comes with 8 cores of CPU, 16 threads with a 3.8 GHz base clock. This CPU also have a maximum boost clock that up to 4.7 GHz. Other than that, the operating software that support for this CPU is Windows 10, RHEL, x88, and also Ubuntu x88. Overall, the price for this processor AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is RM 758. It is great for money and also for student because it is very cheap but is the best quality. Next is system memory. System memory is a collection of electrical components that may store the data, programs, and the instructions that are awaiting execution by the CPU. Furthermore, The memory's primary function is to store the data and the programs. The system memory that we suggest for NAWAL is Corsair Vegas LPX 60GB DDR4 DRAM 3200 MHz. This memory system was designed for high performance overclocking. Vegas LPX RAM is intended for extreme overclocking. We suggest this memory system for NAWAL because DDR4 RAM is a desktop PC uses to store application and gaming data for the CPU and other components to rapidly access. Besides that, having fast RAM will make the NAWAL's PC seem faster to operate. With that, NAWAL will not have any problem to do the game streaming. The price for this memory system is very cheap and very affordable for students like NAWAL. The price is 565 ringgit. Next, the type of this system memory is DDR4. Other than that, the DDR4 form factor is also suit the new DDR4 system and provide the faster speed, more bandwidth, and also better power consumption than DDR3 modules. The specifications for this memory system is they have speed is 3200 MHz and the rating is PC4 to 25600. With this speed, NAWAL will enjoy the fantastic, consistent performance with no lockups or other odd behavior. The third is a graphic card. A graphic card is a sort of display adapter or video card that is placed in most computing machines to show the graphical data with excellent clarity, color, definition, and overall look. A graphic card processes and executes graphical data utilizing advanced graphical techniques, features, and the functions to offer the high quality visual display. For graphic card, we recommend for NAWAL is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super. The reason why we recommend this graphic because it's not expensive and affordable for students like NAWAL. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super can be had for RM 916. It is quite pricey, but it is the best quality graphic card for NAWAL. This graphic card has experience like can share the video and capture, screenshot, and also can do live streaming. NAWAL can do a live streaming with her friends. Therefore, NAWAL just need to keep her GeForce driver up to date and also must optimize the game setting. Other than that, with this PC, NAWAL can make a side income as a student by doing the live streaming such as streaming the games. NAWAL also can broadcast like a pro gamer because a dedicated hardware encoder on the GeForce GTX 1660 Super enables the potential to game and stream concurrently with higher quality. The performance for this graphic card is 1000 STP. The fourth is hard disk. A hard disk is often known as a hard disk drive, or hard drive is a computer magnetic storage media. For NAWAL, We recommend for her the hard disk, which is Samsung SSD Evo 870 500 gig. Nowadays, many people have chosen the solid state drive SSD because these newer disks use a flash memory, which is made up of the discrete memory cell that hold bit that may be accessed quickly by the controller. Besides that, these hard disks have a great excellent in performance. With this hard disk, Nawal can save a lot of document or can download any file or video without any problem because the storage is large. The specifications for the Samsung SSD Evo 870, it is come with a large capacity which is 500 gig. The type of this product is 870 Evo SATA 2.5 SSD 500 gig. The performance, the speed of this product quite fast, which is for read or write speed of up to 560 or 530 MB. Overall, the price of Samsung SSD Evo 870 is 320. It is a affordable price for student like Nawal. If the capacity of hard disk is large, the price of the hard disk will more expensive. The last one is DVD-ROM, a read-only DVD disc that is used to store the data files indefinitely. Last software programs that support the capacity of a CD-ROM disc are commonly distributed on DVD-ROM discs. For now on, we recommend the ASUS BW16D1HT Pro. It is because the Nawal love for watching the movie either in CDs or DVDs. It is Nawal with this DVD-ROM, Nawal can watch the movie like cinema because it has a high definition upscaling that can boost DVD video to full HD, which is 1080p. So Nawal can watch the movie with the best quality. Besides that, the DVD-ROM also have a Dolby True HD and also DTS HD audio. Other than that, ASUS BW16D1HT Pro is a powerful and energy efficient that Blu-ray writer that can write 16x BD format. The price of this DVD-ROM is 389 ringgit. It is not very expensive. It is affordable for Nawal as a student of university. The operating software compatibility for ASUS BW16D1HT Pro is Windows 10.
Next is part D, which is software. For the software, we choose Microsoft Office 365. The reason is because it access file anywhere, secure cloud storage, improve communication and automatic upgrades. And the specification of this software is the brand is Microsoft. It have 4 theme option, which is colorful, dark gray, black or white. And the warranty is standard limited warranty, and the price is 179. The next Microsoft Visual Basic Net, also known as VBNet. The reason is VBNet is totally object oriented, handling pointer indirectly, can create web application with modern feature like performance counter, even logs and file system. And the last one is can create your web form with much ease through the visual form designer. The specification of the software is its brand is Microsoft. It's an object-oriented program language. There are no case distinction in the language. The net framework is used to execute VBNet apps. The trace collection procedure in VBNet has been automated. Window forms are provided by the language, which you can inherit your own form. The warranty is a standard limited warranty, and the price is free to use and can download at Google. Next is C++ programming language. The reason why we choose this software is portability, object-oriented, low-level manipulation, memory management, and large community support. The future of this software is OOP, object-oriented programming, platform or machine independent or portable, high-level programming language, and DMA, which is dynamic memory allocation. The warranty, it has no warranty, and the price is free to use. The next software that we choose is Adobe Dreamweaver. The reason is it highlight our coding so it can be quickly scanned. It helps beginner understand what the coding actually does for a website. User receive code suggestion, and creating content variation is easy thanks to a word processing interface. And the future of this software is brand Adobe. It's fast, flexible coding, set up in fewer steps, dynamic display on every device, and JavaScript refactoring. For the warranty is lifetime, and the price is on. For the number 5 software is we choose Adobe Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is one of the best tool out there for video editing. If Nawal have footage and audio clip that she want to splice together, then the Premiere Pro is the best bet. It can place multiple video clip on the same video track. Ideal for trimming and arranging clip. It's easy to create transition between clip, and the last one, it can even create simple tag layer. For the future of this software, the brand is Adobe. It has multiple video type, direct publishing, multiple format support, video titling and graphic, share project and transition and effect. For the warranty is lifetime warranty, and the price is only 96 ringgit. And the last one Adobe that we choose for this assignment is Adobe Director. The reason, because Director allow user to build application on a movie metaphor with the user as the director of the movie. Director support many different image, audio, and video format. Director has been used to create application 2D and 3D video game, self-running kiosk, and CDs and DVD launcher. The future of this software is the brand is Adobe. It's create shortwave application for the web, utilize a scripting language to develop interaction with user, highly extensible with many plugins to improve its use, and the last one is support for a wide range of image and video format. The warranty is lifetime warranty and the price is RM96 only. So that's all from me. Thank you. Stay safe and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NURA Binti HASSAN. I will be presenting about the input and output devices that we choose to propose to Nawal. The first input devices is mouse. Mouse is an important device, especially for people who like to gaming like Nawal. The mouse that we choose is FunTech X16 Tor 2 macro running RGB 4200 dpi gaming mouse PixArt T3519 sensor new model. This mouse is a high-end brand mechanical macro definition gaming mouse. It is made specifically for gaming but can also be used for other things. It is human body engineering design, 6 programmable keys, running RGB variable light effect, USB plug and play, switch life of 10 million cycle and cable length of 180 cm. This mouse support Windows Vista, Win 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X 10.5 or later, Linux and Chrome OS. This mouse is affordable in price and suitable for Nawal. Next, the input devices is keyboard. Keyboard is important for Nawal in both gaming and doing her assignments. The keyboard that we suggest to her is Redragon K552 Kumara 87 key LED RGB backlit mechanical computer illuminated keyboard with blue switches for PC gaming compact apps metal design. Once again, this focus of this input devices is for gaming. This gaming keyboard has 87 key mechanical gaming keyboard with custom mechanical switches. It is RGB LED keyboard that comes with double shot injection molded keycaps. All 87 mechanical gaming keyboards keys are conflict free and key rollover for ultimate gaming performance. This keyboard is constructed of metal alloy and ABS with plated mounted mechanical keys and switches that stand up to tough gaming conditions. This keyboard compatible with Windows 10, 8, 7, Windows Vista or Windows XP and limited Mac OS keyboard support. The third input devices is webcam. These devices is not necessarily a must for Nawal, but she can benefit from it when recording a video. It is also affordable for students like Nawal to buy because of the high quality resolution camera. The webcam we choose is NBX webcam HD 1080p USB camera web, camera 2 MP live stream webcam for desktop, laptop, PC with microphone. This webcam has high quality with exquisite appearance, high definition with 180p and true color images. It has up and down rotatable feature where she can adjust the angle as much as she likes. It is imported optical lens, high precision and no distorted pictures. It is a manual focus, so if she has a blurry video, she need to rotate the lens. This webcam is designed for both laptop and desktop. It is compatible with USB 2.0 or 3.0. UVC camera can be plugged into any operating system that supports the UVC protocol. It also has an auto white balance and auto color correction. Next will be the output devices. Firstly, the output devices we suggest to Nawal is a monitor. A monitor can provide a wide range of image, especially for gaming. So this is suitable for Nawal. The monitor is HP X24IH gaming monitor. The monitor can escape emissive color, has lightning speed for laser sharp accuracy. This can make sure the gaming display on the monitor going smoothly. It gives comfort from anywhere when look at it. The monitor offers perfectly smooth gameplay and peak performance with AMD FreeSync Premium. Nawal can enjoy better views and sharper move with an IPS panel that provides ultra-wide viewing angles and a colourful picture. The next output devices is headphone. Most gamers enjoy using headphone while gaming so that it can give focus for the gamers while gaming. This is why we suggest Nawal to buy a headphone. The headphone that we propose to her is Blackstone G800 Extra Bass 3.5mm audio jack lightweight gaming headsets with mic. This headphone has 190mm ultra long microphone, high definition battle dialogue, flexible adjustment and rotating storage. It has metal arm with scale, hanging thick air cushion headband, 50mm custom grade gaming speaker and anti-leakage earmuffs to avoid from any leak of sound. These headphones also have hidden flywheel tuner, 1-button microphone mute and 3.5mm mobile phone plug which can be used for mobile phone. It also has 90cm computer adaptable cable, compatible with computer use especially for gaming. It supports phone, PC, PS4 and Switch. Lastly, the output devices that we suggest for Nawal is speaker. Same as webcam, these devices are optional for Nawal to buy, but the reason we suggest speaker for her is she can enjoy using the speaker when watching videos or movies by herself or with others. She can alternate the use of headphone and speaker when using her computer. The speaker is Sonic Gear Titan 2 speaker, 50 watts, 6 WRMS, 50 Hz to 20 kHz, USB 5V. The model of the speaker is Titan 2. It comes with portable 2.0 speaker with volume control and 7 lights. The total system power is 6 WRMS. The frequency response of the speaker is 50 Hz to 20 kHz. The power input is USB 5V. The speaker has 7 color lighting effects with music synchronized light display and it is a 2.0 speaker system with huge bass. Basically, the sound system of the speaker are loud and clear. The speaker also have high efficiency digital circuit with built-in wired controller. That is all for input and output devices.
So as for pricing, based on the computer specification, firstly the motherboard is about 355 ringgit Malaysia and computer case about 189 ringgit Malaysia. Hardware, firstly processor is 758 ringgit, system memory 565 ringgit, graphic card is 916 ringgit, hard disk about 320 ringgit and DVD-ROM is about 389 ringgit. So the total of the hard disk is 2,948 ringgit. Then for the programming software, firstly we use Microsoft Office 365, which is RM 179. The Microsoft Visual Basic Net or VBNet is free, of course, and C+ programming language is free. Then for the authoring software is Dreamweaver. Adobe Dreamweaver is about 96 ringgit Malaysia. Adobe Premiere Pro about 96 ringgit Malaysia, and also for Adobe Director 96 ringgit Malaysia. So the total of the software is 467 ringgit Malaysia. Then the input device is, firstly we are using mouse, keyboard and webcam. As for mouse, RM 59 ringgit Malaysia, keyboard RM 119 ringgit Malaysia, and webcam is about 39 ringgit Malaysia. So the total for input device is about 207 ringgit Malaysia. Lastly, output device, which is first we have monitors, headphone, and speaker. Firstly, monitor HPX24 IH gaming monitor is RM799. Then headphones Blackstone G800 is about RM69 ringgit. And lastly, speaker Sonic Gear Titan 2 RM28 ringgit. The sole total of the output device is about 896 ringgit. So in conclusion, having a computer is totally helps student in university to achieve a good mark and give a good result for them in doing assessment, assignment, and also research. Based on now, she will get a good computer that can help her to solve problem in her university. Set up a great computer may give us a satisfaction as a computer user. Deciding to choose a computer specification are hard because there are a lot of quality and item that we can choose, but we need to choose by the requirement that we need. For example, as for now problem, she need a huge space and good capacity for her computer. All the computer specification are like motherboard, computer casing, hardware, software, input device, and also output device that are recommended to Nawal are amazing choices that we have choose and we have decide to give Nawal as a recommendation. As a student that want the best for her study, computer specification are all matter. Now can peacefully get computer and start study in University Technology Maras. So that's all from us. Thank you.